Hey, it's Morale. So today I'm just doing something simple. For me, it's my kind of day-to-day makeup. So this is something I wore on the daily. And by that I mean something that I wouldn't wear out, or I wouldn't wear to an event or something. You can dress it up or dress it down. It can be easily manipulated. You can do the same look on both eyes, or you can do odd eyes like I'm doing. It wasn't initially inspired by Marilyn Manson, but when I looked at my drawing again, because I draw out my looks on graph paper every time before I do them, it makes it a lot easier for me, and it can kind of get my ideas out a little bit clearer, as traditional art tends to be something I'm better at than makeup. And that's just because I've got more experience in it. It's not that I'm a great artist, it's just that for me I've been doing it longer and it's easier to draw it out. I noticed that this drawing looked a lot like Marilyn Manson's 1996 Antichrist Superstar era kind of makeup, and I thought it would be fun to wear some of his merch while doing it and turn it into a whole look and colour scheme. I really like how rough this other eye looks and how it almost looks like a child has just scribbled on you. I really like the incomplete lines and lines overlapping one another in it, but I know it's not going to be for everybody, so if it doesn't take your fancy, then that's okay. Just do something else on the other eye, or the same thing on both eyes. That's the beauty of makeup, is that it's ours to choose and ours to be happy with. So for this I used a grand total of about 5 products. I used MAC's white foundation as a base, I used a black eyeshadow from Morphe, I used Jeffree Star's Wifey liquid lipstick and Weirdo liquid lipstick, and that's about it. Other than I think I used a Stargazer red eyeshadow for my cheeks. That's the other one. And I tightlined my eyes with just a generic, I can't even remember who it was from. So this is a super quick, simple look, and I think it's great for anyone who wants to express themselves and have this kind of punchy look but doesn't have a lot of time, doesn't have a lot of patience. Because I certainly don't have a lot of patience, and my health has been really bad lately. I've been struggling, really struggling to actually record and get stuff out. I'm really passionate about it, but as I say, I am disabled, I live with a chronic illness, and it comes with other complications and sub-conditions that are rather difficult to deal with, and hopefully I haven't been showing it because I don't want to, but that is why I am doing something rather simple, because it takes less time and it means that I can go back to bed now. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for hanging out with me and listening to me ramble and watching me scribble on my face, and I really hope that it somewhat inspires you to scribble on your own face someday, or tomorrow, or right now, whenever. I hope you're having a good day or night depending on where you are, and I will see you next time. Bye.